Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. I am Lucia Perez, a student of professional training in business administration. In today's video, I'm going to explain the mailing section. In this case, I will start with the letter. The first step is to create a folder structure in document. In this case, is this. In documents, this folder mailings, and in the mailings is others. I have already created. The second and most important step is the database. In this case, I have download in front of the Teams, in channel Microsoft Word, in files, in this folder, and database is this for a customer. Because we are going to need it. The third step is to open it and change the name and put off. Now in this case is already changed. The fourth step is to open the letter number 7, 2 of the Fabricio in Word. Click on yes. Now, in this case, in mailings, click on, and in this part, in Start Mail Mails, select this option, Letters, and in Select Recipient, click on and use an extension list. This list is database. In this case is this. Open, and in this part is most important. Inside merge field, I select the, for example, name. In this case is this. This part delete, and for example, direction, ciudad, and país. And now is most important step. In preview results, click on and show the results of the database. In this case is similar. Carmona, these directions, país, equal, and this is the letter, and select the logo, and insert in pictures. In this device, select this picture and click on the picture and picture format. In wrap text, click on in front of the text, and in this case, in mailings, change the client, number 2, number 3, number 4, and etc. Now, to save this document, in this case is one document. In File, Save As, and in Browse, select the mailings, letters, basics, and in file name, type in MD seven of two letter. Now click on save and OK. And now I'm create a most page. In this case, in finish and merge, select the edit individual document, and in this part select the all. Click on OK, and in file, save as, browse, mailings, letters, basics, and in this case is MED. And now in save. And in this case is this exercise letters is finished. Well, I hope you like it and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.